Merry Christmas, YouTube. Tommy Retro here with a Christmas video. It is Christmas Day 2017. Got a little bit of snow last night, throughout the day yesterday. It's about 15 degrees, 15 to 20 degrees out here right now. Looking at the weather forecast, it's not going to be above 20 for a high for like the next 2 weeks. So I'm glad that we put the batteries away when we did. So a little snow last night. There's the buses in their storage spot for the winter. Batteries are out, covered with snow, all winterized. But I thought today would be an excellent opportunity for a snow plowing video. So what we're going to do is we are going to plow some snow. It's only about 2 inches or so, but we're going to plow some snow with the 1991 Dodge W350. It's got a, it's got a 360 gas engine in it. Of course, four-wheel drive. It's got the automatic transmission with overdrive. This truck was a brush fire truck for the local fire district. I bought it at auction probably 3-4 years ago, and I've been using it as a daily driver ever since. It's been a great truck. It's got hardly any miles on it, and so I try to keep good care of it. But I'm gonna hop in the truck and then we'll do a little snow plowing video. Alright, we're gonna start off by putting it in four-wheel drive. Alright, there she goes. Four-wheel drive engaged. Now we'll back drag away from the garage here. Real light fluffy snow because it's so cold. We just keep working our way over here, get this area back dragged out, then we'll take the main run and push it to the end of the driveway. Leave the snow right here and we'll shove it to the side later. Alright, while we're up here, we'll go ahead and clear out the U part of the driveway. Some tight quarters here for turning around. Watch these bricks. We'll notch the plow to the right a little bit. Take her right around. Oop. A little too far with the wheel. Little out too far, so back her up. That's why those plow markers are nice to have. The old Dodges don't have as good of a turning radius as other pickup trucks in the same era. I had a 1997 F250, you know, and I've also got a 92 F250, and they can turn a heck of a lot sharper than this. I think Dodge used the same basic design from the 70s all the way through the early 90s till 93. I think they changed for the 94 model year. So now we'll lean it all the way in, and we'll take it all the way around. Alright, at this point the driveway changes over to gravel on the left side, so I'm going to swing the blade over and start pulling the snow out this way. You kind of hear it. See, as I'm going, I turn my blade a little bit at the end, catch some dragging tails, square up for the end of the run. Alright, there's a little snow plowing action with the 1991 Dodge W350. Again, I'm Tommy Retro, wishing everyone a Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching.